You think vending machines are modern? Oh, kiddo, the Greeks had this tech locked down 2,000 years ago. Hero of Alexandria. Yes, that was his actual name. Designed a coin-operated holy water dispenser in the 1st century AD. Drop a coin, get blessed. The mechanism? Coin hits a lever. Lever opens a valve. Water flows out. Gravity did all the work. No electricity, no app, just physics. These sat in temples. Want divine favor? Insert coin. The gods literally had a paywall. Very on brand, honestly. Same tech that gives you Cheetos at 2 a.m. once dispensed holy water. The more things change, the more they stay coin-operated. Peak irony. Ancient Greeks automated religion before we automated coffee. Your Keurig has nothing on Heron's temple tech. That's your boomer history for Gen Z, fam. Like, follow, subscribe, and let's keep this generational collab fresh. Stay vintage, stay awesome.